Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to get email address of anyone from LinkedIn. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. You're probably here because you want to collect the email addresses and so that you can just send people the emails to promote or sell your products. So in this video we'll be just seeing in 5 steps how you can do that. So in order to get the email address from the LinkedIn profiles, firstly you need to create an account on salesql.com. So here you can just find this by just going to the salesql.com. You can just get onto this page. Here you can click on start now, and once you click on it you need to sign up. You can sign up using LinkedIn or Google. So let me just sign up with LinkedIn account. So you need to fill up few details after you connect to your LinkedIn account. Click on the continue, and once this is done, now here you are onto this page. And the second step is that you need to install this extension onto your Chrome. To do this, you just need to go and click on this Chrome manual extension. You just need to install it manually. So here you can see that we have to scroll down and click on the download now option. So once this gets downloaded, we need to extract these files so that you can add the extension to your Chrome. So once this installation process is done, click on this, and here you can find what all are available on this zip file. So we need all these extensions to be installed in our Chrome. To do that, go to here extensions part, click on the extension, click on manage extensions, and enable this developer mode. Now you can see this load unpacked. Click on this. Once you install this unpacked or this extracted folder, you can just see this thanks for installing salesql option, and here you can just click on this extensions box, and here you can just find the salesql browser extension. You can pin this so that you can find this easily. And then now we'll see the other thing, that is how can we connect this salesql with LinkedIn. So let's go to the salesql. Now you need to click on open LinkedIn so that you can connect to the LinkedIn account. Click on the continue, and once that is done, and now you are ready to go, get back to this and reload this. Click on go to my account, and here you can just find your dashboard, like where you can just find all your email lists and all. So now we'll just see how we can collect this emails from the LinkedIn. So here I'm on this LinkedIn, and let's say that I want to collect the emails, so I need to search for a person. So in order to do that, let's say that I can just go search for some name. Let's say that I want to search for someone named, someone like this. So I'm just choosing some random LinkedIn profile, and I can just click on to this. So here I can find the profile. You can choose on this contact info. So you can just only see the LinkedIn profile link on this contact info, but to get the email, you can just see this icon, salesql browser extension icon. Click on this, and you can just click on this add, so that it will be searching for the emails and phone number. So you can find details something like this. So you can get the emails of that particular person, and you can get back. So you can even add it to some folder. You can create a folder and you can add it to that particular folder also. So instead of adding it one by one, you can even collect emails from one particular category. So let's say that you want to choose something like entrepreneur. So here if I just click onto this, go to the people, and here you can even use those filters which are available on LinkedIn, by using which you can filter out your search results. It is something like you can choose your location. Let's say that I want it to be in India only, and talks about by using this hashtags: current company, past company, school, like based on the school, industry, profile language, and the service categories, and few keywords if you have any, like the title or company, any keywords that you have. You can click on the show results. Once you are done, you can just click onto this icon again, and now once you get back to the sales SQL dashboard, here you can see what you have requested for and all. You can even export this, but this exporting needs us to be upgrading to this account's new, upgrading to its features that are paid plans. So you can even see the plans and you can upgrade it if you are in requirement of those. And even the phone numbers are also not available, even though here we have the phone number, we cannot view this because this is not an upgraded account. You can even upgrade it by just checking out the plans and choosing which suits you the most. And after this, you can just go to this, you can copy the email address and you can send the emails. And this is all for this video, guys. And by using this particular extension, you can get the email addresses of people on LinkedIn without even having a connection with them through LinkedIn. I hope you all found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.